Welcome to Sunto Computer and Application Settings. Today, I will teach you how to organize your bookmark in folder so it will be easy for you to access when next you need them. Because if you have a lot of website bookmarked, there are going to be a lot of them lying here in hundreds. And if you do not separate them in folders, so they're going to mix up. That will be a stressful kind of thing for you to be searching one by one. But if you have to separate them and in different folders, it should be easy for you to identify a particular website based on the category. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to make that happen so it will look organized and easy for you to locate the website you want to visit. Here on this tab are bookmarked websites. You can say if I have a lot of them, they're going to line here. They're going to line up here. So I'm going to create a new folder based on the website or application now. And I have to press all this on their separate folders where they belong to. For example, this is email. I'm going to create a folder for the email and press this particular Gmail in there. So any other email address or email I have, say Outlook or any other email platform, I have to group it there. So it has to be, the folder has to be specifically for emails, and these are Amazon self-publishing. Okay, so I'm going to group this to a different folder belonging to, it may not be Amazon alone, it can be any other publishing company. Anything that has to do with publishing has to be in that particular folder. This is banking application, this is Mercury, this is Wise, they're banking platform. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a folder and place them inside that folder. So it's going to be a banking folder. This is domain. I'm managing our website, so I'm going to create another folder, press it there. So any other domain managing websites, such as GoDaddy or any other one, they have to be there. So I'm going to group them in folders so that each time I need a particular website, I know the folder where it belongs to. In this way, there are not going to be a lot of them lying down here, and it's been difficult to select and find out because there are hundreds. I have to be scrolling and looking for the name, a particular name I want. So, but it's there in folder. It's easy for me to locate and be able to access the website as very easy. So now let's proceed. I'm going to click on Gmail first. When it opens, you can see that Gmail is already been, I think it's been bookmarked. Okay, look at Gmail here. So I'm going to click on it. And when I click on it, the name, I'm going to name it whatever it wants, but I can name it emails. Okay, emails. So then I have to come to here and click on choose another folder. It's already on bookmark bar. So I click on new folder here. I name it email. Email. So I click save. Okay, it is there. It is there already. So if I want, I will remove this one here. I click delete. So when next I want it, I come to where I have email, because I'm going to have a lot of them here. All the email websites I have going to reside here. Okay. So even if I have another Gmail account that I open on the same browser, I can also include it here. So each time I click, I know I'm clicking a particular email address to open. So now I'm going to click on Amazon self-publishing. So what I'm going to do is already bookmarked. So I'm going to click save, bookmark it, and name it whatever. I can name it publishing because it's not only Amazon that's going to be here. I may put Blob, I may put Lulu, any other e-grants pack, all the publishing companies that I'm accessing their websites here, I'm going to group them in this particular folder. So what I'm going to write here, I will write publishing here and remove this. But I don't do it because I don't want to rename it. But I'm showing you how you're going to do it. So you click on this arrow down, you choose another folder. You have to click on new folder and you name it publishing. Publishing. You click OK. You click save. Okay, you can see the Amazon is no more here. If you come down to publishing, you're gonna see it. So if you name all these websites, they're gonna line down here on their folders. So any other website I've been publishing website that I've been, let's assume that I've been blog. Blob is a publishing company. I click on it. I want to include it. This folder, publishing folder, is already selected by default because that's the last one I used. If it's another website that is not publishing, I will click drop down arrow, choose another folder. I will choose the folder that of which I want to save it to, but this time around it is publishing. If it were to be email, I will click here. So I leave the publishing, I click save. So now when they start come, as I go on publishing, I can see I have two websites there and that publishing. So this is how I'm going to name every website, and on this category, I create a folder and place it in that folder. So in this case, I'm not going to have a lot of them lying down here, but they're going to be in folders. Okay. So you can see the two folders are already here. If I reduce all these things, at the end, you're going to be able to find only 3 or 4 or 5 folders here that contains a lot of websites. So this is how you group your bookmarked websites in a folder and make them look neat and decent and easy for you to access. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so I'll be able to bring more of this in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.